Welcome back to the trade recap video. You can see today is a Friday and I'm observed this from too many weeks that Friday is going to be higher probabilities days. And as you can see, we have SMT, same trade that is formed every single day. You can see New York does not put day low, so it can easily go to put day low. We have SMT. You can see this is the point of interest, which is order block. We have changes set of delivery inversing this 1 minute ferrule gap. You can enter at this point, put SL above, and you can see a strong selling came up to that. You can see you have to apply risk management at this point. So that's the trade. The second trade is from same trade. You can see there is a higher time frame imbalance. You can see there is a 5-minute imbalance at this point, also inverse ferrule gap. So that's the point of interest, so continuation can be possible here. You can see here we have strong displacement change instead of inversing this ferrule gap. This ferrule gap, which is this, is mitigated in Nasdaq, and this ferrule gap is unmitigated in SPX. So I am interested to take trade in Nasdaq rather than taking in SPX. And as you can see, after that, well, this trade played out well, and you can see this is the 2:2.5 level of this manipulation leg, which is this exactly a good trade. The second good trade is this, again same trade. We have 5-minute ferrule gap, lot of liquidity at the sell side. You can see there is a inverse ferrule gap, 1 minute inversion. Here is also 1 minute inversion, 3 minute also inverse. See here, this 3 minute ferrule gap also inverse, and I'm interested to take trade in SPX rather than NQ this trade. Why? Because there is a 3 minute inversion at SPX, not in NQ. So that's the good trade. After that, you don't have to enter immediately because your risk reward is not good at this point. You can see if you enter exactly after the closing, your risk reward is very low, so you have to wait for pullback. After that, 1 minute ferrule gap created and pullback came to the 1 minute ferrule gap. You have to enter at this point, put SL above this and target up to this low, and exactly you can see with this 1 is almost greater than 1:2 target. After that, the A plus trade which is formed here is this. You can see this trade. These are the 3 trades that's formed, out of which we don't take 3 trades, and this trade I actually took this trade. Same trade, we have point of interest 5-minute ferrule gap at this point. So you can see there is a 1 hour ferrule gap at this point, which is higher, almost higher probability trade, because higher time frame ferrule gaps are A plus ferrule gaps. That's almost 90% of the time they are respected. So that's why I'm interested to take sell side trade here. At this point, price rejecting from 1 hour ferrule gap. You can see price reject from it. We gave a change set of delivery. There is a 5-minute ferrule gap and 3 minute and 1 minute ferrule gap at this point. So you can see after changing set of delivery, price pull back to this 3-minute ferrule gap, and I immediately start adding quantity. One quantity here, here one, and here one. So 3 times I added the quantity, put SL above, and after that strong selling came. Why I enter still here ferrule gap, but why I enter, because there is a higher time frame imbalance, which is higher probability. And you can see price came, gives changes set of delivery, and price does not rejecting from this ferrule gap. So that's the confirmation. If price came here and rejecting from that and then pull back, I am not interested to take this trade. I interested to take this trade, but in low quantity. But at this point I had high quantity. Reason is simple, because the reason, as this price, as selling came, as price tapped to this ferrule gap, I move my stop loss to break even. Now I am risk free. After that, you can see the strong selling came, and exactly we got our target price. So we reduce our risk by risk management, and that's the important point. So risk management is the only thing that will make you profitable in this market. You can see these are the higher probabilities days which came, and you have to save your capital. You have to survive at this point to make such profit. Some days are come which are lower probabilities, and some people will blow their account at this point, and that's the biggest mistake that they made. And this they didn't have psychology, and they didn't have such capital, they didn't have such a mindset, because they already blow their mindset in previous trades. They are now doubting on their strategies, and this is the days where your strategy exactly work. So you have to wait for these days, and you have to save your capital, and until these trades are getting, these are the higher probability days. So today is Saturday, so we end up, these 4 trades are goods. We only take this 1 trade, because I am at this point I'm not available to trade. I am somewhere outside of the